Hello everyone, it's Rosie Rascal. Today I'm saying hello from sunny Florida. Hallo, ich bin's, Via Fröhlich. Ich bin auch hier in Florida und grüße euch. And here is your question for today. What is Florida? Florida ist ein Staat in einem Land. Und dieses Land heißt Vereinigte Staaten von Amerika. Florida is a state. A state in a country called the United States of America. Florida has 1, 2, 3 nicknames. Spitznamen. The sun shines almost all the time. The sun. You know, the yellow thing that comes up on the horizon every morning. Die Sonne scheint hier 230 Tage im Jahr. The sun shines 230 days every year. The nickname? Yes, that's right. Florida is called the Sunshine State because the sun shines almost all the time. Nicht immer, aber fast immer. It's the Orange State because they have so many oranges. Florida has a lot of gators, Alligatoren, and that is why it's called the Gator State. See you later, alligator. In a while, says the crocodile. Later, gator. Later, alligator. In a while, says the crocodile. I'm out. Oh, this way. Goodbye.